So I've had some questions about applying the last coat to a newer vehicle with clean paint. So this is a newer Porsche Cayenne, and just wanted to show you all. I'm going to do this area here, and then I'm going to leave this area undone so that you can see the difference between the treated panel and the untreated panel. So you can actually see the line here that I have not done, and I've coated over here. And you can see it masking some of the swirling. And then we have not done anything over here. So much brighter, and again you can see where it actually masks the swirls. Now this doesn't correct the paint, this just kind of hides it. So treated area, untreated. And this thing has never been waterless washed. These marks are from going through car washes with the roller brushes, beating it up, so that's why you see those here. But that's what the last coat can do for you. Hope that helps.